Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're struggling with acne and looking for natural ways to treat it, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing some effective home remedies that can help clear your skin without harsh chemicals. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about tea tree oil. Known for its antibacterial properties, tea tree oil can help reduce acne-causing bacteria. Just mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil and apply it directly to the affected areas using a cotton swab. Leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Next, we have a simple honey and cinnamon mask. Both ingredients have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, apply it to your face, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. This can help soothe your skin and reduce redness. Aloe vera is another fantastic option. Its soothing properties can help heal and hydrate your skin. Simply take a fresh aloe vera leaf, scoop out the gel, and apply it directly to your acne. You can leave it on overnight for best results.